Hello, viewers, and welcome back to the playthrough of The Lost Vikings. Let's try to get done this. Caveman, where are you, caveman? There you are. Nice. Oh, yeah, boy. Did it. Get all the other Vikings up. Keep you there. Run away, Eric. No. You guys bugger off. Good. Now I can just grab that quick. Oh, you son of a bitch. Nice. Okay. I guess more about here. Push you all the way down. I hate these caveman enemies. Okay, bring up everybody. Am I gonna pass this with flying colors? Eric. if you please. Can you? Just him. Oh yeah, boy! Oh, so good. Yay, we finally beat it. Do you think anyone would mind if it took one of those blue lizards home as a pet? Then it would be good to clobber it. What fun that would that be? Volcano. There's the exit. Yay! We're finally going to be done with this level. Need your help, Olaf. Baylog, I need you up here too. Meats. Lovely meats. That's the volcano. Need to help the girl Viking, whoever was caged up in here. Oh my, look at that hot babe. Okay, I'm gonna deal with this guy. Deal with him quick. Good. So what's up? Hello there. Thank you so much for saving me. To save this place, you must find the key and drain the volcano. Where's the key? You must go back down and bash your way into the mountain. Can you be more a little specific? It's the kind of cars destroy the fires while inside the mountain. Thank you for your help. That's what I'm here for. I should go this way then. Go this way. Olaf, thank you. You're the head. You're good looking. Where do I need to go? Oh, just here then. Baylog, if you could. I need you to... Have to go into the mountain. Oh. Need to go to you. No, thank you. Baylog, hurry up. Okay, Olaf, I need you to give your food up to Baylog. And Baylog, I need to eat the food. Olaf, I need you to jump down. Raise your shield up quick. Like so. Need you go first, Baylog. You go over there first. Okay. Yay, we finally made it. Oh my goodness, yes, we made it! Go, go, go! Yay, we did it! There's a different way back home. Got any ideas, Olaf? Oh, well, time's up. Yay! I'll go first. Why don't you have Olaf go first to practice with his shield? Oh, we made it to the Egypt level. Now where are we? Looks like the desert. I can see that, Sherlock. I think I'm gonna be sick. Okay, viewers, we finally made it to the Egypt level. I'm gonna leave it here. You guys take care. Bye bye.